Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to see about the double click action. What double click action can do. And our last video session time I took this as the example application, right? And here you can see that is the double click. If you double click, you can able to get this particular alert. Otherwise, you will not get it. Okay. And if you click on right click and you can do it on single click, it will not happen. Single click, it will not happen. If you do for double click, immediately it will open for this particular alert. Then how we can able to do this particular alert action. Okay, first this I'm going to take for here. I take JavaScript one plus everything is same. Just we need to take as a naming conventions. Okay, only file creation time is the different, and most of the cases we can able to use for same code only. If you go for in-depth of real time, right, maybe there is one thing like file comparison or something. There is a little bit ts config, js config. There is a config files will be presented. Those files will be changed. Otherwise, everything will be changed. Sorry, same. Go to, and here I'm going to specify that particular URL, and then coming back to here, and I'll first we can inspect this particular element. This is the text is presented, and we can use to create the text and to left and two forward slash star symbol and square braces uh, text open braces equal to single quotation and slash whatever. We are able to find it, right? Now I'm coming back to here. I can use for range page dot locator, and I'm specifying here double quotation, you can specify it, and I'll store this particular value into one variable, constant double. Okay, and then we can click for double click. Then how we can able to click on double click? Basically, we can use for await double dot. We have a method called dbl click. dbl click. dbl click. It will click as a double click. Okay. If you mouse over, you can see, and it will ask you for right click or middle or something, a shift alert or something, and timeout also you can able to specify all things. It will be provided. Double click is basically clicking for a double click action. Okay, we can see whether we are able to see for it will click on double click or not. And we have 5,000 seconds. Okay, and here we can specify double click. Okay, spec.js. Now if I hit this one, what happens? Naming convention. Now you can see it is clicked the double click because it is not shown the alert because Playwright is automatically handled, right? I'm sorry, that action I forgot to do it. This particular piece of code I will take it and I'll paste it here. Okay, and then we'll click on double click and we'll copy this message. Okay, we'll verify this particular message. Okay, now it will click and we can see for alert as well. Second, because double click, it will open alert, right? Automatically, our playwright is auto. Now you can see automatically it clicks accept and it is given the assertion answer pass. Right? We can able to do for that particular message value also. Like this, we can able to do it. Okay. And even you can copy this into a TS file because I'll commit this entire core report. into my GitHub repo. You can see end user, JavaScript, and both the cases. Minus double click dot spec.txt. Okay. This click repeat. Like this, we can able to do for the actions. Okay. I hope it this information help for you for double clicking. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.